Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Wanur Ayuni Balkis Binti Ismail and my matrix number is 2025306737. This is my final project for ATH475 Islamic art. The title of my project is the Intricacies of Iznik Islamic ceramic composition within Islamic aesthetics. This project focuses on the visual principles found in the Iznik ceramics, especially how elements like symmetry, geometry, and color reflect the deeper spiritual values of Islamic art, such as unity, order, and abstractions. Through my research, I explored the key compositional features in Iznik ceramic. I found that most designs are built open geometric grids and radial symmetries showing balance and structure in every detail. These forms are carefully planned to reflect harmony and divine order. In terms of motif, stylized flowers such as tulip, sas leaf, vegetal scrolls, and Arabics are widely used. These are not realistic but abstract, in line with Islamic aesthetics that avoid figurative forms and focus instead of symbolic and repetitive patterns. I also examine techniques like underglaze painting, which ensures durability and clarity of the design, and color layering that use a traditional palette of cobalt blue, turquoise, coral red, and white. This visual choice gives the ceramic both cultural identity and spiritual meaning. Finally, I look into Islamic aesthetic principles such as unity, order, and non-figurative abstraction. These value guide not only the appearance but also the purpose of Islamic art, leading the viewer to reflect spiritually through structure beauty. Now let me walk you through my infographic poster. At the top, I place the title clearly to show the project's theme. The layout is structured using a grid to reflect the balanced composition of Iznik. The poster into sections: visual elements, motif, techniques, and Islamic aesthetic. In the visual element section, I include the diagrams showing symmetry, radial layouts, and tessellation with annotated overlay. In the motif section, illustrated key floral forms with labels and short description. The techniques section highlights underglaze painting, color layering, and border design in simple visual. I use a rows, spacing, and hierarchy to guide the viewer's eyes smoothly from one section to another. The entire poster is designed to mimic the logic and harmony of Iznik art, both in the content and structure. I choose cobalt blue, coral red, turquoise, and white, directly inspired by traditional Iznik ceramics. These colors create a strong visual identity and are also meaningful in Islamic culture, symbolizing purity, heaven, and life. I use clean modern fonts for the body text and add a subtle Islamic style display font for the title to create a balance between tradition and clarity. The layout is symmetrical and based on the grid structure reflecting the core principles of order, and I also created a QR code linking to my reference, keeping the design neat while meeting academic requirements. Each design decision from typeface to diagram was chosen to reflect the spirit of Iznik Islamic and Islamic art as a whole. In conclusion, this project allowed me to explore how Islamic values can be communicated through visual design. I learned how deeply interconnected form, function, and faith are in Islamic art. One challenge I faced was simplify complex motifs while keeping their meaning intact, but through that I gained a better appreciation of the symbolic language in Islamic design. Overall, I hope this poster communicates how beauty, order, and spirituality can come together through the timeless art of Iznik Islamic. Thank you for listening.